One of the more beautiful hikes in Switzerland is the Panorama Trail from Mannlichen to Kleine Scheidegg. It's an easy hike, so you can really spend your time enjoying this beautiful 2.75 mile trail. The trail has a gentle downhill slope with an elevation loss of 530 feet. This hike is really all about enjoying the beautiful mountain views rather than getting to the destination. To get here, use the SBB mobile app to purchase a one-way cable car ticket from Wengen up to Mannlichen. The ride takes about 5 minutes and ascends almost 1,000 meters. We stayed inside the cable car, but for an extra 5 Swiss francs, you can buy the royal ride on top of the cable car with unobstructed views. This is the view from inside the car. If I had to do over again, I'd pay the extra 5 Swiss francs, as long as the weather was nice. If you do stay inside the car, try to get a spot by the window, preferably a window facing the Lauterbrunnen Valley. I suppose you can hike up to Mannlichen too, but be aware this would be an extremely challenging hike. When you get to Mannlichen, hike the Royal Walk. That goes to the peak of the mountain for a beautiful view. The summit is only 0.6 of a mile from the cable car, but the climb is fairly steep at an elevation of 7,700 feet. The trail gets even steeper when you get closer to the summit. The trail is rocky with loose gravel, so you may want to wear a pair of sturdy hiking boots. Fortunately, there are ropes along the trail to assist you in the climb. At the end of the walk, there is a viewing deck shaped like a crown where you can enjoy panoramic views of the mountains and valley. The crown is perched on top of the hill. It took us less than 20 minutes for the walk, but at the top you'll be rewarded with 360-degree views overlooking the surrounding areas of Lauterbrunnen and Grindelwald. Enjoy marveling at these avalanche barriers to hold the snow and prevent avalanches on the steep terrain. These snow bridges are fastened to the slope by tension anchors and compression anchors and prevent avalanches in the city below. As you begin the Panorama hike, you'll pass by the Berghaus, which translated means mountain house. This is both a hotel as well as a restaurant. You'll then see an attractive playground with a gigantic bull. The playground is a must visit if you have kids. If you don't have kids, snap a quick picture and keep walking. Its cow slide is truly incredible and will give the kids an experience they won't forget anytime soon, while you get to take on the impressive views of the Alps. Follow the well-marked panoramic trail from Mannlichen to Kleine Scheidegg for the very easy 3-mile walk with incredible views. The hike is beautiful as you have a front row view of Eiger, Monk, and Jungfrau as you follow the trail. All along the hike, you'll see dozens of Swiss cows, all with these big bells around their neck. We liked the bells enough that we bought a bell as a souvenir and brought it home from Switzerland. The hike between Mannlichen and Kleine Scheidegg is largely over mountain pastures. After 20 minutes of hiking, we didn't see any more cows. Instead, we saw lots of flowers. Lots and lots of flowers. We saw some people hiking like this was a race. I highly recommend that you take your time and enjoy the beautiful and peaceful meadows. There are benches all along the trail, so sit down, rest, and enjoy the view. We love the panoramic trail and think it's a must if you're in the region. Considering planning it for your first day in Lauterbrunnen Valley, this is a great introduction to the area. It's also a perfect hike for all levels and very enjoyable. As you finish the hike, you'll see a few restaurants. You can either eat at those restaurants or you can continue into Kleine Scheidegg for views overlooking the Jungfrau while waiting for a train. While we were here, we also saw several helicopters transporting wood, and other materials. So have your camera ready. You also have beautiful views of lakes and other things around the area. When you arrive at the Kleine Scheidegg train station, you'll see that they have the best public restroom we saw in Switzerland. Please like this video, subscribe, and enjoy your trip.